Among the various forms of God, why do you only stress on the form of God Datta? The absolute God, being beyond matter, energy, time and space, cannot be perceived by us. He cannot even be imagined by us. Datta means the unimaginable God who has given himself to souls by entering into a medium and allowing souls to perceive him. Datta is the first energetic incarnation of God in the upper world. Datta is not limited to any one specific religion. Datta, this first incarnation of God, enters into other energetic and human forms to become other energetic and human incarnations of God. All these incarnations, energetic or human, can also be called Datta. Datta represents the concept of the unimaginable God giving himself to the souls for their perception. The form of Datta, the first incarnation, is also unique. It has many specialties. I will tell you the 5 most important specialties that attracted me, especially since they so perfectly match with the Vedic description of God. Let's take the first one. The Veda says that God is one, Ekameva Dvitiyam Brahma. The form of Lord Datta has 3 heads, but it is only one single form, or one person, as told in the Veda. The second point. The Veda says that the one single God performs 3 cosmic functions of creation, maintenance, and destruction of creation. Yato va imani bhutani jayante, and so on. Just because the functions are 3, the single God who performs these functions does not get divided into 3 parts. Neither is it true that there are 3 different gods, each doing one of the 3 functions. The form of God Datta perfectly represents this concept. The form of Datta has 3 faces: the face of Lord Brahma, the face of Lord Vishnu, and the face of Lord Shiva. Even though the faces are 3, the form or the person is one. The same God Datta shows each of the 3 faces while performing the 3 functions of creation, maintenance, and destruction of the world respectively. In fact, the same God Datta appears to be the 3 different forms when viewed from 3 different angles. It is just like some pictures which appear to be 2 different pictures when viewed from different angles. The power of the one God to appear as 3 different forms is unimaginable to us. This unimaginable power is called Maya. Any incarnation, be it energetic or human, belonging to any religion, is one of the numerous forms of Datta viewed from a specific angle. It is God Datta himself who is called Hiranyagarbha, Narayana, Sadashiva, and Father of Heaven. Let's take the third point. The Veda says that God does miracles, Satyakamaha. All the incarnations of God Datta are famous for doing miracles. The fourth point. The Veda says that God is an embodiment of love, Raso Vaisaha. True to this statement, all incarnations of God Datta are well known for transferring the punishments of the sins of their devotees on their own human bodies. The incarnations of Datta suffer for their devotees' sins on behalf of their devotees. Can there be a greater example of love? Let's take the fifth point. The Veda says that God is the embodiment of spiritual knowledge. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, Prajnanam Brahma. God Datta is most famous as the divine preacher of spiritual knowledge. He is called Guru Datta. The simplicity, beauty, and special divine radiance of the personality of God Datta is most highly attractive. It has always attracted my mind, it still attracts me today, and it will continue to attract my mind forever. God Datta is not different from the unimaginable God who merged with him. They have become identical. Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that propagating divine spiritual knowledge pleases the Lord greatly. Jnana yajnena tenaham. Spiritual knowledge brings about permanent harmony and peace in the world. So join us in sharing this universal divine knowledge of Lord Datta and earn the highest grace of God.